Because of the rain these 2 days? The child's father didn't do anything today. That field has to wait for the sun to go out to get to the mud. So we're still going to go to the mountain to scrape bark. Didn't you cut down a few more trees yesterday? Go shave it before it dries. I haven't finished cutting it last time, although it is drizzling today. But it's quite suitable for work. 2 days ago, the father-in-law and the child's father had already. 4 pillars have been built. There are 4 left on the other side, and they are still out of breath. If you scrape the bark, you have to pull the bricks and kill them, slowly drifting here. When Dad is not busy, build the other side. I'm cutting down this tree. Now, it was the sea that his father didn't finish shaving yesterday. Come and learn to shave. It's my first time doing this too. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. The knife is not sharp. There are gaps. I forgot to buy it when I went to the street 2 days ago and brought a sickle, a firewood knife. Look at how easy his father shaves. I feel powerless with the knife. Haven't found a way yet. I feel that my hands will be sore after shaving for a while. The kid's dad shaved the second one. I'm still shaving the one he had yesterday. Look how silky he shaves. Cut a piece like bacon. It's always easy. It's funny anyway. Knife after knife, scraping and scraping. His second one is already shaved. Then scrape the third one. It's really awesome. At this moment, the child's father laughed at me. Just hear the sound of my knife. Why is that? Still scraping the tree he had yesterday. Gee, you made me laugh. I said, are you better? Laugh more? As a result, he saw me still chatting here. Can't help it? Just come over and help cut this stutter. He also said that he finally cut this one. Fortunately, I have thick skin. Otherwise, you will be shy. Bring this tree stand. I don't know what you say in Mandarin. I don't know if my family has seen this or used. My father and father used to be carpenters. This is the tool. Later, very few people built wooden houses. Carpenter's craft is dead. So I followed others to learn the technique of cutting bricks. Never went out to work. They all farm at home, do electricity and odd jobs. Look, it'll be shaved in a while. Why do I feel? I think it's much faster to scrape one of the two. A person's words can never be shaved. Take this shaved tree and put it inside. Otherwise, the unshaved ones will be crushed. Can't take it out? These trees have to be separated. Walk several lengths. Fear of confusion. Otherwise, at that time, it will be difficult to choose the messy ones. Scrape the bark without much force. And his dad has been shaving and tired. I told him to take a break. I'll try it myself. Can you lift such a big tree? One person took it down too. It's okay to grit your teeth. It's nice to be able to pick it up. I'll take a break too and shave later. Fortunately, I brought water from home. Otherwise, if you are thirsty, you will have nowhere to drink water. What do you say? I'm out of energy. The cuffs of my clothes? It's all that pine oil. I don't know if it can be washed off. It's still a little hot when you're working. But when I came to pay attention, I felt cold again. Or go to work to warm your heart. Ha ha ha! Happiness. I've been shaving for most of the day. I feel like I'm just getting started. The bark is slightly more tender. It's not that hard to shave. Also silky. It's quite decompressed. To scrape the bark, you have to scrape and turn it slowly. You can't shave it all at once. The pile here is already scraped. Ready to go back now? I have to go back to pick up the kids. That's all I shaved today. I don't know how many were scraped. Drink up the water you brought. Bring it back tomorrow and shave the bark. Gotta take this sentence back. Bring it when you want to use it tomorrow. If it rains at night, it will get wet on the slopes. This is borrowed from my uncle's house. Keep it safe. You can't break it. He'll have to use it when he comes back. When I got home, I saw my mother-in-law washing the pot and preparing to cook. Xiaobo is also quite obedient. Just like rolling around in this cart. It came out black in the sun 2 days ago. Maybe he himself forgot. The boy's father said it was too cold. Just drop by a little bit of this wood. Basically, it's better to take it and burn it in that wood stove. The ones sawed before were too long, because I didn't buy this wood stove at that time. They are all sawn according to the length of the previous fire pit. So, it's longer. If you can't put it in, it will fall out if you burn it. The room is full of smoke. These trees have been approved. Now it is sawn according to the length of this wood stove. The child's father is tired from work. Today, let's make a little bit like this and burn it here. When you are free, and we're just going to keep all the plays short. Put the firewood on the other side. Gotta clean up here. In fact, we are not idle every day. It's either here or there. Every day is like this. Although it's not a big deal. But a lot of little things. Busy every day just can't earn rice. Shovel these wood slag into the vegetable garden. Otherwise, the wind will blow everywhere. Again. The temperature has been low for the past 2 days anyway. It rains and windy. Please don't let it snow. Otherwise, there's nothing you can do on the slope. Can't work either? It gets harder. I remember it was April when the second treasure was born. It snowed during confinement. Now you can't tell the difference between the 4 seasons of the year. The trash is swept over there? Come and wash these rain shoes. A mother-in-law's cooking? I went upstairs to take a shower and wash my hair. Otherwise, I have to wash the children at night. Wait a minute, it's too late. I still have to cut videos. Go upstairs and see Urbo painting here. Tell him to put away the book and go downstairs for dinner. Continue painting at night. In the living room? I heard the laughter of Xiaobo and his sister. Looks like a lot of fun. Dabo said to show me a painting. Explain to me again the characters of this movie and how he drew it step by step. Then he told me the general process of the movie. It's pretty cool. Remember clearly. I heard my mother-in-law calling for dinner. Take Xiaobao downstairs. Hungry too. Family, today's video is shared here. Thanks for watching. Bye.